Today I was able to catch both shorts and longs. I'm going to break down the two trades for you guys. Very easy, simple trade recap. Let's get straight to the point. So first things first, the market opens up, and initially I was bearish going into the day. I saw these equal lows. I knew yesterday had a sell-off, and I was expecting or anticipating a potential run lower. So initially, as the market opened, which is right here, I saw this move higher, and I thought that we were likely to reverse. And then the market just continues going, right? There's no confirmation of any reversal whatsoever. The market continues pushing higher and higher, and what eventually happens is we trade into the high of that 4-hour bearish fair value gap. So these quadrants are of a 4-hour bearish fair value gap, and that would be this one right here. Obviously, we've inversed it now, but at the time of the trade, we had rejection from the top of the 4-hour there. You can see the bodies respecting very nicely. Now, how did I enter the trade? Well, I was looking for this breaker block to form, and initially, we do get the breaker block right here at 10 a.m. We had orange folder at 10 a.m., and I was a little bit skeptical that this was just a potential manipulation leg lower. So I waited. The market came up. It failed to take out this high, and then it broke back down, and that's when I entered the trade. So on live stream, I got my fill around here, and my stop loss was at the most recent high. That failed to take the previous one. And what was I looking to target? Now, my best case scenario was all the way down at those lows, but I knew that I could have been potentially wrong. So what is something ICT taught in his 2022 mentorship? What you can do is mark out the range from discount to premium, and what you do is find the first low or fair value gap in discount, and that would be right here. So this fair value gap right here, it sits inside discount. So meaning, if I'm wrong about this trade, this is a good place that I can take profits at. So I took the short. I ended up taking a partial at the low of this fair value gap right here. So we got a trade that looked something like this, and we took a partial, and the rest of it got stopped out at this high right here. I had my stops trailed. Then, well, recognizing that this was a retracement lower, I re-entered pretty much immediately off of this inversion fair value gap, so that blue box, and I got a fill inside the inversion fair value gap, my stop loss at the body low here, and I was targeting the most recent high, knowing that this was simply a retracement down into discount, bullish fair value gap, and then the market's likely to take out these engineered highs right here, and you can see we got a very nice exit. And then the market pretty much went to consolidation because, well, we already had a very, very large move. So we took the retracement short down, we got a nice long after, and we were able to add to the winner as well over here. So off the formation of this order block, I did add a contract right there. My stop was still there. Then we got a little bit of a retracement. I got my partial, and then we ended up taking the reversal to the high. So overall, we're up 2R on the day. Cannot complain. Very good trading day. It was a little bit difficult. I did have to flip my narrative twice, right? Initially looking for the shorts, realizing it's a continuation, but being nimble and managing the trade in that sense was very, very nice. Now, where we are in the current market, right? Tomorrow, we're going to be looking for higher pricing towards potentially all-time highs. And I'll see you guys live tomorrow for that. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.